Hello, привет. Today, well actually yesterday, I picked this package up and this is the coilovers. They finally arrived and I have been looking at them, so this is not like an unpacking video, but anyway, I put them back in just so we can kind of unpack them on camera. So this is what I got. KW competition toolkit. Some instructions and documents. Some stickers. Some tools for adjustments and yeah, some tool for rebound adjustments, and this, yeah, anyway, this is not the fun stuff. So here it is. These are KW competition coilover set. Well, not now, but not that long ago, KW rebranded many of their coilovers, so this is now called, instead of KW competition, I guess it's KW V3 Racing. I guess. There are KW competition. These are really light and really short compared to the Mark 1. I'm gonna remove the Mark 1 and do some comparison before mounting this. And I got the one for the front. So they have Mark 1 wheel housing would fit here. Even though I have Mark 2 wheel housing, I have machined, but I got them machined so they fit like Mark 1. So yeah, and some, I don't know what's they called, top mount. What I am most wondering about is actually, because this top plate, if you've ever seen like a Mark 1 front coilover, this top plate does not look similar to any of them I have seen. So I'm actually really curious to see if this will actually fit. So this is it. I'm going to remove the one I already had, and yeah, basically just see if the front top plate will actually fit. I guess it will be, but I'm just really curious to this, how it will look. So I just made, so this is the wheel housing. This is a wheel housing, as I said many times, it's Mark II G60. It's been machined down to be not as wide, and the reason is because then they will fit the Mk1 coilover mounting thing, like here, because the distance between on the Mk1 and Mk2 are 6 millimeters. The Mk1 is 6 millimeters thinner, or shorter distance between. Anyway. And also there is a slight difference between the distance between those two holes. So what I have done is I have drilled this hole a bit bigger. I've used 12 millimeters drill, 12 millimeter size, and I also made drilled like a bit upwards. So now it's not 12 millimeters, it's a bit like egg shaped, kind of, not egg shaped, but it's a bit oval shape. So anyway, so on the OEM Mk1 there is I think it's M12 bolts. I believe it's M12, at least on the top. So now I'm gonna have M12 and then M10 at the bottom. If I were to use M12 at the bottom also, it will be take really long time. So for me it's gonna be M10, and hopefully it will. I think it will be okay. But now I'm gonna mount it back up, and hopefully everything will fit. So now I'm done with the driver's side. Now I only have to do the passenger side. So now the fronts are mounted. They have some offset to them. I can mount it the reverse way. I don't know which one is the best one, so I just picked one. Maybe it's best for this to be to give it another angle. I don't know. So I can adjust something at the top. I have also possibility of adjusting. I have also the possibility of adjusting on the bottom, and of course regular adjustments, the height. Fronts are done, more or less, I think. Like, they are mounted, but they need to be adjusted somehow. So I'm not sure if I will do the rears today. Not sure if I have time. I will start. Yeah, I think I have time. Okay, so I'm gonna start on the rear. Now the coilovers are mounted. I can't take the car on the ground yet because I have these spacer adapters which take the bolt pattern from 4x100 to 5x100, so I can use my Compomotive wheels. They only had 2 at the store when I bought them, so they ordered 2 more, and when I can pick this up I will mount them, and then I can take the car and put it on the ground. Finally, after 3 years, almost 3 years now, I think it was October or September in 2019, I started this project, the all-wheel drive. So after 3 years, the car can finally stay on the ground level, not doing this stupid look, which the front is really low and the rear is really high. I'm looking forward to it. So I guess this video is... that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, hope you have a great day. Bye.